Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those who are new, I am Argha and I provide various information about the places I visit, and this time we are going to visit Majuli, the river island in Brahmaputra river, the first island to be made a district in India. Majuli is not only the hotspot of natural beauty but is also the cradle of Assamese civilization. So let's explore. We are going to start our journey from the Bogibil Bridge. Right now, I am standing on the Bogibil Bridge, which runs 4.94 kilometers across the mighty river Brahmaputra, connecting the Dhemaji district with the Dibrugarh district. It's a rail-cum-road bridge. After crossing the bridge, we took the route from Dhemaji to Dhokwakhana via Machkwa, but the road was not so good as construction was going on, so the route from Dhemaji to Dhokwakhana via Gogamukh is more preferable. We have stopped at Dhokwakhana for a bit refreshment. Yeah, I have brought Dairy Milk. We entered the Majuli district after traveling for about 1 hour. Hey guys, after a long journey of about 2 hours, we are really very famished. So we have halted at Majuli's Akhas so that we can have our lunch. So come on. After having our lunch, we restarted our journey towards our resort. Hey guys, finally we have reached our destination, that is Okegiga Homes in Majuli. Pretty decent place, really very beautiful environment all around, surrounded by forest areas and beautiful cottages here you can see. Now friends, there are many other hotels in Majuli, but we especially needed a really very calm and ethnic environment away from the hustle and bustle of the town, and also a resort was near the Brahmaputra river. It's day 2 and we are now moving on towards Brahmaputra river, which is very nearby to our resort, and I'm really excited. So come. Majuli, the river island in Brahmaputra, is a hotspot of not only various endangered flora and fauna, but also many migratory birds. The cool breeze from the river, the choir of the chirping birds, and the greenery all around is truly a feast for the eyes. After spending about half an hour on the bank of the mighty Brahmaputra, we went to visit the satras in traditional attire. We came across many beautiful sceneries on the route. We first visited the Center of Culture, Art and Classical Studies, the Uttar Kamalabari Satra. The devotional prayer songs and the serene environment is really very heartwarming. The little boys are trained for devotional service from a very early age. Our next destination was the Auniati Hotra. The Auniati Satra of Majuli was established in 1653 Anno Domini. The slightly elevated land of Majuli, where this satra was established, was full of Aunipan, a kind of beetle creeper plant. Ati means elevated place, hence the place was named Auniati Satra. The Monikut or the Satra temple worships the idol of Lord Govinda. The idol was originally brought from the Jagannath Kshetra of Puri, Orissa. Next, we came across several-year-old Tulsi trunk. Then we visited the resting place of the Satradhikars and the museum and also the library. After having ethnic food in one of the restaurants, we went towards the Dakshin Path Satra. The Dakshin Path Satra is one of the famous socio-religious institutions in Majuli. It is an important center of art and culture, exhibiting various forms of sculptures, paintings and dances. It was patronized by the kings of Ahom dynasty. What makes Majuli fascinating are the hundreds of Vaishnava monks in the 22 satras, where they live in Guru Shishya Parampara, where both the student and teacher stay together, joined by the desire for spiritual and religious learning. Common people can also stay in satras in guest houses called pohas. Next, we reached the Samagari Satra, the center of Majuli's mask making culture. The artisans demonstrated how to prepare masks, and also one of them performed for us. I too tried Sita Devi's mask. I look pretty, right? Majuli has been the cultural capital of Assamese civilization since the 16th century. Mahapurush Srimanta Sankardev, a pioneer of medieval age Neo-Vaishnavite movement, preached a monotheist form of Hinduism called the Vaishnavism and established monasteries and hermitages known as the Satras on the islet. He wrote theatre in Assamese that took the Ras Leela and other forms of Krishna worship to the people through creative dance, music and lyrics. We were fortunate enough to visit Majuli during the Ras Mahotsav. Dear friends, I highly recommend visiting Majuli during this particular time of the year because during this time of Ras Mahotsav, the environment of Majuli is not only saturated with cultural extravaganza but also bewitching natural beauty of the golden paddy fields, migratory birds and the beautiful mustard fields. Do visit the Wonderland once. Thank you. Bye for now. Do like, share and subscribe.